All of them.
Okay, they can open finish. What's in hand? All of them.
Maka no baking na. Ihe debe keji wee ife na. Wee
tell off fan.
Inside there we have our flour, nutmeg, pinch of salt, the fat, which is the butter, milk flavor. Then we'll have to rub it together. After this, we have add 1 cup of water to bind it together. Our preparation today is meat pie and vegetable pie.
You know what more? Your phone is ringing. Hey, stop on my ear. No, stop for me, TV. Your name?
Have you seen it? A meat pie. After cutting, you still need to reflat it. If you didn't press it very well, okay, banoko.
Yeah.
This is the end finishing product of our vegetable pie, meat pie. Yes, partner with us, you like it.
Very yummy. Hi.